Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you love keto bars as much as I do, then you're gonna really like this. This is one of the most interesting keto bars that I could say I've had. The Crunchy keto bar, it is raspberry cheesecake. So it's not your typical keto bar. You have your protein on the inside. It's kind of like a little bit of a wafer. Then you have a little bit of gooey raspberry flavor, very hint raspberry, which is really good because raspberry can be very overpowering. So this balances really well. You have the chocolate on the outside that just brings it all together. What's really neat about this is that the white chocolate actually has collagen in it. So this bar only has 3 grams of carb net. It's a very nice option because you have a little bit of the crunchy with a little bit of the sweet. It's just enough to be able to get you through your day and have a nice snack on the go. So I'm a really big fan of these, and that is my point of view.